Hello everyone, welcome to Railworks. My name's James, and today we're doing another scenery kit because I haven't actually done one for a little while. So here we are with a Metcalfe village shop and café, the N scale one, and the product code is PN154, and it looks a rather nice little model. And that's the back side of it. It does tell you how big it roughly is. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. It's a card kit. But it does come with everything all printed, so you don't have to do not really any messy work. But I have built one of these before, and it was quite enjoyable actually. I did enjoy it. So this is the structural sheet. This is mainly thick card, which helps everything stay together. Here's all the glazing, which is always nice to have. So that's all the windows. Here is the ridge tiles for the roof. And here is the main two sheets, which have everything else attached. Tools which you'll need is a pair of scissors, because they're always handy to have. A sharp knife. I may need to break off a blade just to make that sharp again. Some glue. I'm using UHU glue, the liquid one. Can't remember what exact type. It's the contact one. And also some of these little clip things. I can't remember what they're called, but they're very handy to help things stay together. And also a cutting mat, so you don't damage tables or anything else which may be important. But yeah, here is the main sheet, and yeah, it's not all that difficult really, because we get the instructions. Where are they? There we go. So we have two sheets for the instructions. One's bigger than the other. This is the main one. It tells you step by step sticking the main building together. It is 15 figures for the main steps, and it's quite clear and legible. This is very nice to have. And this sheet is mainly for basically little extras and stuff like that, which I will be doing. As an extra, goes up to 22 afterwards. They may not be optional, but yeah, so 22 steps in total. So yeah, I won't be doing this my usual way, which is I used to do basically screenshots, well, not screenshots, but photos of each step. And then doing that, I'll probably do this time lapse. So I'll be just building it all in one video, and then well, showing it at 16 times speed, or maybe a bit slower, just so that you can see what's happening. When everything's is drying, I will stop and no recording, just so that I don't have to have an extra long video when you don't need it. But yeah, I'll get on with this, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So see you when I'm done. See you in a bit. Right, here we are with it all pretty much done. I figured I'd sew it off on the turntable just so you can get a better view. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. It only took a little bit of glue there. It only took about 2.5 hours. I did have a break about an hour and a quarter in, just because it was tea time. So yeah, it wasn't too bad a kit. Also, it doesn't take all that long, and it's not all that difficult really. The main thing is just remembering which bits actually belong to where, and what they're called. It's mainly some of these window pieces which are a bit confusing of what where they're meant to live. I know which building they're meant to live. I know which side of the house they're meant to live on. Don't know which one they are, but it's a little bit unclear. But otherwise, it's not too bad. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it, and it will be something which I'll be doing in a little giveaway if I haven't already used it. That is, because I probably would have recorded this beforehand, but no, before I did the giveaway. But oh well. But yeah, let me know what you think. And whoever does end up owning this, I do hope you do enjoy it. The only thing which I will be doing is re-gluing some of these chimneys. Well, that was a bit loose. Probably use some super glue because that's a bit more stronger. But otherwise, it looks alright. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I know my handiwork is not the best, but oh well. And yes, I do know I need to do the white edges. I just don't like doing them. It doesn't really bother me that much, but oh well. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, do let me know what you think. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video and all that lot, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Anyway, take care now, and yeah, bye bye. Just wait till it gets to the front. Come on. There we go. Nice little model. Bye bye now.